Welcome back to my laundry routine. Today we're doing the whites. And listen, washing whites is one of those things people think is simple. It's actually the easiest load to mess up. So first things first is the sorting. I don't play around with whites. If it's not pure white, it's not going in. Well, I do occasionally put a beige in there, but if you want to be on the safe side, stick to pure whites. I always do a quick check for sneaky colours hiding in seams or logos. So one rogue red thread can ruin your whole laundry. And if anything looks dull or greyish, don't worry. We're going to fix that later. Whites show everything, so I deal with marks before they even hit the drum. So if you've got makeup stains on your towels, I dab a tiny bit of liquid detergent directly on it, or you can use this, which is Vanish Oxy Action. Deals with everyday stains, exactly what it says there. You must remember, you must pop it into the washing machine straight away, otherwise it will turn yellow. Once you've sprayed it, leave it onto the stain for just 5 minutes. That's the maximum. If you leave it on more than 5 minutes, I left it on for hours. I forgot about it. And what not to do, basically. Don't leave it on for more than 5 minutes. Okay, I'm now going to put this into the washing machine to see if it will remove the yellow stains. If that fails, then I can always dye these jeans in the future, which I have done a video on. And if you haven't seen that video, then I'll leave the link after this video. Samsung drums are pretty spacious. This is a 9kg drum, but I still don't overfill. Whites need room to move so they can actually get cleaned. Okay, I shake each item before I put them in the drum. This helps the machine wash them more evenly. And yes, I always check the rubber seal for random socks, because Samsung machine loves to hide things in there, in that rubber seal. Before we move on, I can see a stain on my sheets. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to just spray it with Oxy Action. Yeah. Okay, next is the detergent. So for whites, I always use biological detergents. White loves the enzymes, and they can break down sweat, oils and everyday grime. Don't worry if you don't have just use what you got. Should have added this before I put the laundry in. This is Lenore In Wash Scent Booster. Gives a nice scent to your laundry. Don't need that much, just a handful. And ideally you want to put that at the bottom of the drum before laundry going in. Much will do. Yes, if I want that hotel towel brightness, I add a scoop of Oxy. Not bleach, as bleach weakens fibres, so you want to avoid bleach if you can. So just a scoop going into the detergent drawer, this one, the main one. There we go. Okay. So the cycle to choose, if you have a model, Samsung model that has whites, you would select that. If not, select the cotton cycle. And the temperature, you can do 40 or 60. If you've got towels, I'll do 60. And 2 rinses, 1,400. So that's going to take 1 hour, 42 minutes. Let's press play before the battery runs out. While it's running, let's talk about keeping whites long term. The biggest mistake people make is mixing fabrics. Heavy towels rubbing against delicate t-shirts. That's how you get peeling. Peeling. Another mistake, too much detergent. More soap doesn't mean cleaner clothes. It actually leaves residue that makes whites look dull. And please, please don't wash whites on cold. Cold water is great for colours, terrible for whites. Whites need warmth to stay bright and white. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the cycle. So let's see how well, how fresh they are. Yes, as you can see there, nice, clean, fresh. And they smell gorgeous as well. So before I dry them outside, I just give them a bit of a shake. That, and then I hang them outside to dry. Done a good job. As you can see, the yellow patches are faded, so if you continue to wash them at a high temperature, I think that will completely get removed, those yellow stains, but it's done a better job. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.